Get ready for the coolest portable camp kitchen out there, and I even have a discount code for you. Here we go, the Chuk Box on Whiskey City Overland. All right, we made it back to camp, making some brats here on our Chuk camp kitchen, which is pretty sweet. And I think we're gonna have a special guest here in a little bit. But we got some Costco brats going here, caramelizing some onions with some grass-fed butter on a, what we got? Pit Boss, which is kind of like a little Blackstone grill. So Stephen, how long have you had this Chuk?
Chuk Box I've had probably
Chuk Box.
5 or 6 months maybe?
Yeah. So it completely folds up into the, you got drawers down here, and the sides fold down and the legs fold up.
It all contains into one nice organized box.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
And then you got a separate thing for your cookers, right?
Yeah, actually the top, the lid that it's sitting on now opens.
Oh,
I can set the grill.
Okay.
Some grills will fit down into it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like the Tomb Burner Coleman's will sit down inside of it. Really nice.
Okay, well, I might have to get one of those. So you can fit, oh, look at that. Slides out.
You want pickles?
I like that.
Oh, take that.
You got a nice big drawer down at the bottom. And then apparently you could fit a Coleman 2-burner underneath this. And then it just folds right up.
That looks fun.
And then the sides fold out. Looks pretty cool. All right, well, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special guest with us. We have Evan here from Chuk Box, and he's got this really cool portable kitchen right here that Steven has been using. Steven was one of the first adopters on, what was it, Kickstarter?
Yeah, we did a Kickstarter.
Yeah, so I got to see this, and then Evan reached out to him, and we just happened to be here at Callie's Campground, Red River Gorge, and he's in the area. So he stopped by to see us and see how Steven's Chuk Box was going, and he's going to show us this and how it works and how cool it is for just a quick kitchen setup. So yeah, I'll give it to you, man.
Yeah,
show me what you got.
James, thanks for having me, man.
Yeah.
And it was cool that this worked out where I was coming through Red River Gorge and got to join you guys in this beautiful place. So grateful for that. And yeah, I've got, of course, my Chuk Box here too, fully loaded with all of my kitchen stuff. And so I've been on the road for 3 months now, using this thing on a daily basis. And man, it's made cooking outside a dream. So yeah, I'll show you how it all works.
Yeah.
Basically, to set it up, you just lift up one side a little bit. There's a pull tab in the front. Let that go. That's the first legs dropping. And then pop up, come out there. First leg's down, same thing with the second leg. Make sure those hinges are locked.
That's cool.
Yeah, thanks. And then the wings come up, easy, just with a pull as well. Same with the lid.
Well, what kind of stove is this?
Yeah, that's a cool stove, eh? This is a GSI Pinnacle 2-burner. So
wow,
I love the stove. It's nice and thin actually. Yeah,
it's right in there.
Yeah, we actually designed the Chuk Box to fit majority of 2-burner stoves. We have the Coleman 2-burner in mind, but it also fits the Partner Steel 2-burner stove just like a glove as well. So yeah, that's
your stuff and this stuff here. And
yeah. Just kind of pull from the front. So you can just open like that, and then you got all your stuff organized underneath.
Oh, nice. So we got drawers to slide out.
Yeah. So I put some.
Is this something that you guys offer too, like
that,
organizers?
It's about to be. Yeah.
Nice.
It just makes sense, and so I've been testing some different organizers and really like this one. So I've got all my utensils separated out, and then the bigger, bulkier stuff underneath there. So I've got good pot and pan, cups and plates and bowls for 4 people in there. A little propane canister as well. My AeroPress and some coffee.
And then you've got, what, 3 shelves in here that are you've got adjustable heights?
Yeah,
this
exactly.
This one's holding your stove.
Yeah, exactly. So everybody's gear is different size. People want to customize and organize their space in different ways, so we tried to make it accommodating for, you know, different situations. Yeah, like I've got this skinny, slim GSI stove, but the Coleman stove is a little bit longer, bulkier, so it's going to fit on the second tier there. Yeah, exactly. And then something that Steven doesn't have, I noticed that I think is probably one of the coolest parts of the Chuk Box is all the attachments.
Oh, nice.
So, boom, there's the...
You got my address. I'll wait for it to show up in the mail.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. Great. Yeah.
Oh,
There's
just snap right on.
the garbage bag ring. Yeah, we've got the kitchen caddy here. Why don't you put that one on that side? It really just like that.
Nice.
And then we created this little paper towel attachment on here too.
Yeah.
So that can just sit
right on there.
right on there as well. If I can
Kitchen,
find the spot.
kitchen in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And this is all
That's the
aluminum,
idea.
right?
Yeah, all aluminum.
So it's very light. I just picked up
Super light.
Stevens, which has all this stuff in it. It's like super light.
Yeah.
Got smoke. Whoa.
Yeah, fire's coming in. Empty is 32 pounds.
Nice.
So pretty light overall. Couple more attachments. This one's just put these over here. That's the
nice.
yeah, so that you can keep your utensils handy when you're cooking. The spatula. Don't have to go inside and grab it. Not gonna burn the steak.
Right.
Yeah. We did a lantern post as well, and then the last one that we've done here is the cutting board.
Oh, nice.
Which
And it
fits.
fits right in there.
That's
Nice.
it. Yeah.
Perfect fit.
So yeah, man, the ultimate motion is chopping the vegetables and just swiping the scraps right into the garbage bag.
Nice.
So yeah, so just trying to keep people as optimized and organized in their outdoor cooking experience as possible.
That's pretty awesome. And these drawers,
Yeah.
you can slide them right out too. So
Yeah.
if you got another table set up, you can just pull the whole thing out, set it to the side,
Yep.
and have access to all your utensils without having to front when you're in the middle of cooking something.
Yeah, that too. Oh, and the door is really just attached by these wires, almost like a truck tailgate. But
Yeah.
you can just use an Allen key to remove these, and then the door will just swing right down. So
Okay.
if you want to keep it open while you're
Yeah.
cooking and
Yeah.
whatnot, you can do that as well.
Nice.
Yeah, we tried to do everything with nuts and bolts, so that if anything is going to potentially break or loosen while you're out on the trail,
Right.
then
You fix it.
you can fix
I
it on
like
the spot.
this.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so that's the Chuk Box fully expanded.
So what's on? You got a
Oh, yeah,
brace
yeah.
on the side.
So that's kind of like a molly panel.
Okay, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, and it fits the attachment super well, but I think
Okay.
we're gonna change that up and move more to the molly system. But
Okay.
there you go, just to create
Right.
some more space for you as well.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Like you could put spices and stuff down there when
Yeah.
you're cooking.
Exactly. Yeah, that's the idea.
Barbecue sauce.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. You got it. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, that's a sweet setup. So it's
Thank
called
you.
a Chuk Box.
Yeah. The Chuk Box, which the inspiration came from my childhood.
Yeah.
For one, I was a scout growing up a little bit, and
Right.
then my dad had hand-built wooden Chuk Boxes as well.
Nice.
And yeah, and he did some cool ones that stacked together and made this like big, larger kitchen setup.
Right.
So that's what I thought wasn't really on the market, and either you got the tables that it takes a little bit of time to set up, but then you
Right.
got your everything disorganized in a bin or a Chuk Box, which
Right.
then takes up space too. And,
Yeah. Totally.
and so we wanted to create something that saved you time, kept you organized, and was just more seamless in the
Right.
cooking experience here. So super easy to pull out of the
Yeah.
tailgate and get cooking in seconds.
So tell us where we can get one.
Yeah, well, right now you can get them online, Chuk, CHUK, outdoors.com. Or we're in currently one store in Michigan, Bill and Paul's, so that was our first retailer.
Nice.
And yeah, part of this road trip is dropping into outdoor stores and seeing who wants to carry this as well, just like Bill and Paul's.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, if you run an outdoor store and you're interested, I'm assuming you got contact info on your website there.
Yeah,
You
absolutely.
can reach out to Evan and see about carrying these in your store. And I think we're going to hit up some of maybe these overlanding.
That too, I'll be doing that too.
Like here at Callie's, perhaps, and show this baby off and get it out there to you guys, because I mean this
Yeah.
is nice. It's so convenient, so easy, And you know, you get, like I don't have a big, you know, canopy on the back or a trailer, so, and I use my truck. I don't keep my camping stuff in it all the time, so I could have this along with some of my Pelican cases with tents and stuff, chuck it in the truck and go. No pun intended. And
we're using that a few times here now.
and you just pull it out and you got a kitchen ready to go, and you don't have to, you know, have a whole setup with drawers that you got to take out of your truck every time you get home, but still have a nice organized setup. So I think this is super cool, man. So
yeah,
I appreciate you
yeah,
coming down and hanging out with us.
Yeah, it's been a good time. I'm excited to do some 4x4 with you.
Yeah, he's going to go with us today. We're going to go hit some trails on the Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway and have a little fun too. So
that's gonna be great.
Check it out, Chuk Box.
Chuk Box, yeah. We got 3 colors here. I think there's the gray one over there as well.
Gray, green.
So
what's the other color?
Like sandy beige as well. Yeah,
nice.
Okay, those are 3 for now.
Nice.
Yeah.
I know you've got some other ideas that you're thinking about, maybe expanding kitchen. So we'll keep an eye on the website and see what they come up with. And
yeah. This is the first.
All right. Well, thanks, guys. Hope you enjoy. Check it out. What's the website again?
chuckoutdoors.com.
This is one of the coolest camp kitchens I've ever seen for someone who doesn't have a camper or an RV that has one built in. I know Steven loves his. He bought in when it was just the Kickstarter, and he brings it on all of his trips. I can't wait to get mine. They are currently sold out, and they've got a batch coming in January, and I worked a deal out with Evan to get you guys 15% off if you click on the link in the description. So order yours today. Don't miss out. This thing just makes cooking while you're camping so much easier. Well, that's it for this episode. We'll see you guys next time.